This is Suli, and you're listening to the first day of the rest of your life. Today's topic: get back and track. Be ready to be restored. The story is told of a certain woman with an issue of blood in Mark chapter 5. She had suffered with the illness for 12 long years. And all she needed was a touch from Jesus, a touch of faith. And immediately she was healed. I cannot say if what I have been experiencing for the past 2 weeks have been a prayer God has answered. Nevertheless, if it is, then He has answered in His time and in His way. I prayed a certain way for many years, yet the answer never came. I changed the way I prayed and shifted my mind to other things. Yet, no, God seems to have answered my beginning prayers. These current sequences of changes, however, brought me to a full stop. Well, let me rephrase that. No, not a full stop, a pause. I needed to take some time out and search my inner me. I mentioned before that your past does not define you. Your past prepares you. And once you're prepared, you must be ready to be restored. I have been in what I call a state of lethargy, a state of stillness. I have been in a place where it was just me and God. I found myself confused, wondering where all of these situations were coming from. Neither myself or those around me could understand the changes going on. Yes, this has all brought me to a place where I needed to be still and listen. A place where I needed to pause and seek God's direction. Lord, I ask, is this real? Is this coming from you, Lord? I believe I have walked in this direction already. This bullet didn't kill me. Why would I want to walk this road again? Will this bitter water become sweet water? Should I throw my stick in the water like Moses did at Marah? Is it possible that I am moving from bitter to better? When times and things seems unsure, when prayer seems unanswered, and waiting period seems long and dreadful, be still, don't quit. Pause, don't stop. Don't settle when you're confused. Don't make quick decisions when you're confused. Instead, take some time out. Nevertheless, don't pause for a long time. Get back and track. Continue to pray those unusual, intentional prayers in faith. Don't count the time. Continue to make the time count. Like the woman with the issue of blood, continue to stretch your arms out to the God of heaven. He knows what you need. He knows the desires of your heart. Ask that His will be done in your life, and He will do so. Ask for guidance and direction so that you are not deceived by the lies of the enemy. Wait on God to answer, for that is the only way to achieve peace and stability. Yes, we may have lost loved ones. Others may have come into our lives. When they come, or when they will leave, we might not know. Yet, one thing we can be sure of is that people come into our lives to either change us or for us to change them. Which way it's going to go, we do not know. Yet the change will come. So, let us steadfastly hold on to faith. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 5 and 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path." A commitment to trust must be first if you want God to guide you. God cannot lead you where you will not follow. Remember, it is not how, it is He. He can do for you that which you cannot do for yourself. This is Suli. Until our next episode here on the first day of the rest of your life.